I feel really bad.
Yeah, you should do. You made him crash into a window.
Well, only because you told me to summon him.
Yeah. But I didn't think it would actually work. Like, you calling him like you're bloody Snow White.
Okay, because
What happened?
well, you're in the hospital.
Oh yeah, you had quite the crash.
Wait, I recognise you two. You two called me and made me fly into a window, and then you poked me with sticks.
We didn't really mean to.
Yeah, I didn't think you would actually get called.
I thought it was my mum calling me. You two cruel humans. Why would you do this?
Okay, we're really sorry.
How can we make it up to you? Can't believe he's got us doing this for him.
Yeah.
Hey, why don't you make one of them bird calling noises again? Maybe he'll come help us.
All right.
Wait, no, don't!